Hello, my name is Allie from AllieCat Cosplay, and happy holidays from PlaidFX to you. As you can see, our project today are these elf ears, which is perfect for your next ugly sweater project or your next elf cosplay. Now let's slay this project. All right, we're gonna get started with our elf ear pieces. Down below in the description of the video, we have a PDF file for you to decide your sizes. We have a small size and a medium size available for print. Today we'll be working with the medium sizes, and we have our 4 pieces cut out here from the template. What we're going to do is glue the top onto the bottom very carefully, and that's it. We're going to use our PlaidFX primer in clear to seal the foam. We really want to use 2 to 3 layers just so our paint can stick to the ears and not get soaked up into the pores of the foam, because foam is a little porous. And for these ears, I want them to match my skin tone as close as possible. So I have a selection of colors here that I'm going to mix to match my skin tone. We have Charred Root, Grounded, Fool's Gold, Pyro, and Blizzard. And if you want these to match your skin tone, as you can clearly see, there's a large selection of colors for you to mix and match to make it perfect for you. One of my favorite things about the PlaidFX line is how easily the colors blend. Like, it's taking me no time at all to get this perfect color. Now we're going to use our skin tone paint to paint our ears all the way around and all through the edges with this medium flat brush. We have the first layer down, and we're going to do a few more layers to make sure it's nice and opaque. And this is it with a few more layers. We're not going to put paint on this side because this is the part that we're going to use later, and I'll explain why. Our next step, we're going to be doing a little bit of shading to get some more dimension into the ears so that they don't look quite as flat and cartoony. We're going to be mixing 2 colors. We're going to be doing Charred Root and Grounded and mix them together a little bit. And we have a little bit of cartilage right here in our ears to make it look a little more realistic. We have both our ears here shaded, but these are no ordinary elf ears. These are Christmas elf ears. So we're going to give them a little bit of sparkling blush like they're freshly frostbitten from the snow. We're going to use our Armor Metallic in Dragon's Breath and our High Voltage Glitter in Iridescent. Using this texture brush, we're going to dry brush our elf ears. The last step we have is to put them onto a headband. The reason we didn't paint on the inside is because we're going to be attaching these to a headband so we can wear them throughout the night. I have a little wire headband here, but you can use any headband that you can find. And we're going to put them at the very base because this will cover our ears at the very bottom. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We cannot wait to see what you make with your elf ears. Don't forget when you post on social media to tag PlaidFX, #PlaidFX, and @PlaidFX so we can see what you make. That's all for this elf helper, and I hope to see you soon.